Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. In today's video, we'll be having a look at some savings for Christmas, what you guys can do to make your money stretch further for Christmas, and how you can still have a special Christmas. So the first tip today is to budget. Now, as you guys know, when it comes to Christmas, we all tend to overspend and overindulge on Christmas and end up after Christmas with a lot of things we didn't actually want or need, but as it is Christmas, we tend to overshop and overindulge at that specific moment, not really thinking of what it is we're buying and do we actually need it. So setting up a budget with a structure plan is a great way for you to be able to think of what it is you need for Christmas, how to spend your money, and this will help you not overspend this Christmas. So the second tip is to leave the kids at home with family and friends, because as you guys know, when you take the little ones to the shop, they see everything shiny and everything nice that they want you to buy at that moment. And a lot of the time it's stuff they don't really need or want. It's just something they want in the moment. As soon as you get to the car, they're already bored of it. But all these little bits do tend to add up when you take the kids shopping to a lot of different shops over Christmas. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. The next tip is to try and use your pound shops in your area or dollar shops. Have a look what you've got in your area. I personally have Poundland and Pound Stretcher. Now I tend to go to those shops on a regular basis to buy essential household items at a very cheaper price. Now, they also tend to do a lot of things for your house that you can use for Christmas. They also have a lot of Christmas jumpers at reasonable prices for the little ones. You can all look the same for Christmas with the same Christmas jumper, or there's a variety of different jumpers, so you can even look differently. But there's a lot of ways of saving a bit of money by just having a look what you can buy at these pound stores or dollar stores to help make your money stretch further for Christmas and help you have a better Christmas this year. Another great way to save some money for Christmas is to buy your presents after Christmas. Now, if you are seeing your friends and family in the new year and not over Christmas, this is a great way to save a bit of money, because after Christmas there's a lot of discounts going around because the shops want you to come and spend money again, where a lot of people don't have money at that stage. This will give you a great opportunity to save a bit of money and still be able to buy the Christmas presents you want to buy for your friends or family. Now, the last tip for today is to have a look at what things you can buy early or start having a look for bargains early. Like in the UK, there's a lot of special on foods and drinks at the moment. Like I've already personally bought all the alcohol we will need for the entire Christmas season, as a bottle of Southern Comfort that I normally would buy for Christmas cost me about £23. I bought it for a smacking $17.99. That is a big saving for me, that specific item, and that is just one of the savings I made. So start having a look around at your favorite shops if there is any specials on things you would like to have for this Christmas, if it's drinks, pops, stuff for the kids, or if there's any special deals on food you would like for this Christmas. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.